What's up guys, in this video let's quickly unbox the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, the first real competitor of the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and perform the bend and scratch test to find out its structural integrity. Hands, the Zenfone Max Pro feels compact, not too large even though it has a 5.99-inch display. It's a bit heavy, which is always a good sign of good quality and more metal, and it feels pretty strong like the Redmi Note 5. But will it survive my bend test? The metal bag does tend to get fingerprint smudges and is a bit slippery, but no free cover has been provided by Asus, unlike in the new Redmi phones. Apart from the usual stuff inside the box, the only thing extra is this contraption, which is supposed to help amplify the sound a bit. It does kind of work, but seems impractical and unnecessary, and also it is only for when the phone is in portrait orientation. Initial impressions of performance is pretty smooth and snappy due to the highly capable Snapdragon 636 chipset coupled with near stock Android UI with some really useful Zen motion gestures. The gestures include double tap to turn off screen, double tap or swipe up to wake, and 6 other gestures to open up any app of your choice. Pretty neat. The fingerprint sensor speed though was amazingly slow even after the immediate software update I got after unboxing it. Starting with the scratch test, let's scratch the protective glass up with common items found in pockets like keys and coins, and lastly with a heavy duty box cutter. Asus has not provided any sort of Gorilla Glass protection on the Zenfone Max Pro, so let's see if this unnamed glass will be as durable as Gorilla Glass or not. Though in my experience of innumerable scratch tests on our channel, there have been many instances of minor scratches even on Gorilla Glass, mainly due to the coins. There was only one minor lone scratch during the test, which was due to the second coin, as you can see. So I guess the unnamed glass which Asus has used on the Max Pro is durable enough and passes the test. Now moving on with the bend test and applying the force on the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, let's find out the structural integrity of its metal unibody. The Zenfone reminds me of phones like the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, Honor 7X and the Samsung C7 Pro in terms of structural strength, since it had minimal flex to it even after applying extra pressure. The kink which you saw was temporary and vanished instantly on removal of force. This has been my first bend test on an Asus smartphone, and its structural strength has turned out to be pretty impressive. Stay tuned for interesting tech stuff, more videos on the Max Pro and new smartphones like the Xiaomi S2, Mi A2 and Oppo Realme 1. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.